How to fix Messenger notes not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger notes not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, there can be many reasons why your Messenger notes are not showing. The first can be that your Messenger app is not up to date. To update your Messenger app, you can head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for Messenger. After you find Messenger, check if there is an option for update like this. If there is, tap on update and update your Messenger app. After you update your Messenger app, you can simply open your Messenger up and you should find the notes section on the top. Now, if you do not see notes on the top again, it might be because people have not yet added notes on their Messenger app. So if they have not added it on theirs, you cannot see them in yours. So to fix that, you can ask a friend just for testing that to add a note on their Messenger. Now you can add one yourself as well. Tap on the notes option and tap on just type in whatever you want and tap on share, and you'll notice that you will have the notes on the top. If you still don't have it, you can head over to the settings of your phone, head over to general, and after general, head over to iPhone storage. After you're on your iPhone storage, simply search for your Messenger app. I'll just open up my Messenger and offload the app. After you offload the app, reinstall it, and this will just what this does is it will clear up all the cache in your Messenger and reinstall it. After doing that, any bugs or any errors should get fixed, and you should have the Messenger notes show up, and it's that simple. That is how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.